Welcome back, guys. So today I'm at the client's house right now trying to install this Google Nest wireless doorbell with the camera and everything. So let's go ahead and do this unboxing real quick. Customer got this at the Costco when it was on sale. I believe either the Thanksgiving or the Christmas sales, and they didn't have the time to install it, so asked me to install it for them. Let's go ahead and open this up. Wow, I just cut myself. Great. That's a sharp scissor. So this one is the Nest here. This one is the Nest Hello video doorbell. Includes 6 months of 24/7 iCloud recording with 5 days video history. Holy cow. Let me just do this quick unboxing real quick. Sorry, there are trash days today, so might be noisy with the truck. Gotta cut the tape. Don't want to get cut again. Alright. This one's the white color. So if you're gonna do the wiring for your existing doorbell, those are the two Phillips screws that you need to screw on. Some of the pamphlet right here. And then a sticker. And this device, you need to install it with your existing doorbell. Okay, there's a white one or the dark gray color, but normally your doorbell will be white and red. And then here's the angle plate. If you could tell, like probably like a 15 to 30 degree or 20 degree, either tilt to your left or right. And then here's the plate that you're gonna screw this on with your camera. See what's inside this box. Probably the drill bit, and then some mounting kit and screws. Yep, here's a drill bit. Then screw, two other screw right here. Wire, if you need to do some extension. And then a tool to unlock from the plate. So let's go ahead and do this. Alright, so you're gonna locate your doorbell and then just remove the cover. And then you need to identify 2 or 3 wires. You have the front doorbell or the rear doorbell. So this one only has the front, so you only have red and then white. I'm gonna unscrew it and then move the red wire one at a time. Alright, so the red wire is gonna clip on this gray connector right there, and then there's a gray wire right here. You need to hook onto the doorbell, and we're gonna put this device probably right there. Stick it on there, and make sure it's not gonna mess up those mechanisms right there. We need to make that wire straight. So that's too long, so we're gonna cut it off. So we're gonna insert the wire to that hole and then press it down. And then hook this wire to there. Now we're gonna remove the white wire. Do the same. So we're gonna tuck it, maybe this side then. Alright, so I peeled the double sided sticker and then stick it on there, and then this was the look like. Alright. Alright, so I removed the two of the Phillips screws, and then there's a red and then a white wire right there. The wire is too short though, so I'm gonna hook up this over already. We're gonna hook up, remove those white and then the red wire.
Which one is white? Which one is red?
It doesn't matter.
Okay.
So we're just gonna hook this up right here.
Okay.
And straightening out the wire to do some tests right now, because this one is not charged.
So we want it like this, right? Not like this.
So we could try to do this right now, and then she's going to download the app already to test out. Because most likely it's going to hit this angle right here, the wall.
Yeah, then you wouldn't want that. We want to see that.
But if you facing the
street
it's going to pick out a lot though. You know, like
people walk by, it picks up everything.
So you gotta,
we want
you gotta determine.
Right, we just want it. We don't want it
so
directly.
Why don't we install the wire first and then kind of give a test?
Doesn't matter, right?
Yeah, it doesn't matter. Push it, pinch it. Yeah, it's like spring.
Okay. Spring tension. You gotta clean this a little bit first.
Oh, that
The putty.
the glue.
Putty.
What do you do? JBL? It look like JBL. Can we cut it?
I think I got it.
Okay, that's it.
That's it.
We're supposed to cut it, but we're just doing the test right now, so we'll see.
Why are you videoing it for?
My channel. What do you think? Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Does it light up? Oh my god, it's supposed to light up blue.
Is that lighting up?
Is the doorbell broken or what?
No.
Because we charged it and it didn't work either. So unfortunately, the customer has a dead Nest Hello doorbell, video doorbell. So we gotta go to Costco and then change it for another one.